Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. We have a new software update rolling out for OnePlus 6 series, which is based on the stable channel, as we all know that we don't have any more beta updates for OnePlus 6 series. And the current version of OxygenOS which is rolling out is 10.3.7. Right now it's not available via software update section, but you can download the file given in the description below and place it inside the internal storage of your device. And as you can see here, I have already placed the file inside internal storage. The update size is 223 MB. Once you are done with that, you just need to go inside your settings, system update, and you have to tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner. You should be able to select local upgrade. After selecting, just tap on the file and you're good to go. We have already completed the installation process. Let's reboot our device to finalize the same. So here our device has been successfully updated to the latest version of OxygenOS, and you guys drop comments what all bugs you have been facing on the previous update. We'll do a complete review. Now first let's talk about the software information. So here you can see under about section, device is OnePlus 60, current version of OxygenOS is 10.3.7. Under Android version still remains Android 10, but the security patch has been updated to 1st November 2020 and the build date is 16th November. After a long time, OnePlus have finally added the new gaming tool on OnePlus 6 and 60. 2 days back we received the same update based on HydrogenOS which had this new gaming tool. After the update, launcher version remains 4.7.4. No major changes done with the camera application, and picture quality after the update. We'll cover it in a complete review video. With this update, few additions have been done related to system and game space application. Let's talk about the changelogs now. Under system, they have added a newly hide notification feature which can be found inside the settings panel, apps and notification, under notification, advanced, and here we have that feature of hide silent notification in the status bar. This feature will filter all your unimportant notifications, making the app notification management easier. After that, they have also fixed the screenshot issue, which was not an issue with all the users. Few users have reported that issue and OnePlus have fixed it now. Now you won't see any issues related to capturing a screenshot. On the previous update, few users were reporting about this issue that the device fails to capture the screenshot, but that's not the case now. Then they have updated the security patch to 1st November 2020, later improved system stability and fixed general bugs. Now talking about the new addition for gamers, which is related to game space application. Here game space application have been updated to the latest version, and they have also added the features like mistouch prevention and new gaming tool, which can be found inside the settings. So on the right top corner you can see we have the new gaming tool option available, and if you go down you can also see mistouch prevention feature. So these are quite handy features. Let me show you how does this new gaming tool work. So whenever you launch any game, you can swipe up from the right top corner or either from the left top corner, which will open up the new gaming tool option where you have options to do conversation on your messaging applications like WhatsApp, Telegram, and here we have a mistouch prevention feature, screen recorder along with fanatic mode. On the top you'll also get the details about the device temperature, time and the device battery. This feature is already available on other OnePlus devices including OnePlus Nord. OnePlus 6 series just got this new update. And mistouch prevention works the same way. It helps you to avoid mistouch on the notification bar. So as you can see, when I'm swiping down the notification bar, I get this drop down. This means mistouch prevention have been activated on my device. This will be really helpful while playing games like PUBG. And if you want to check the notification panel, just hit on this drop down menu. I've also made a dedicated video on this game space application. I'll leave that video link in the description below. You guys can check that out. So these were a few new additions done to the latest update for OnePlus 6 and 60. Now let's talk about the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core scores 511 and multi-core scores 1907. If we talk about the previous update, on that single core had scored 516 and multi-core had scored 2340. Lower benchmark results to be seen with multi-core scores. With the Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 3,60,405. On the previous update, device had scored 3,63,050. Again, lower benchmark results on Antutu benchmark application. So guys, this was all about the latest update for OnePlus 6 and 60. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.